Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install WordPress on your web server. So let's do this. So let's start. I already have my Cpanel login page here. I'm gonna put my password. Okay. Now we're logged in. This is our Cpanel administration page. Some servers have the ability to let you install WordPress here on the Cpanel, but in some cases we don't have that option, so we have to install WordPress manually. But if you follow my steps, you will do that very easily. So let's start. First of all, we gonna access to file manager. You're gonna open it, and we have all these files here. The main file that we are interested in is public HTML. I'm gonna open it. And now this is the place we're gonna install WordPress. So first of all, we have to go to WordPress, download. Okay. We are here in WordPress. We're gonna download the latest version. Okay. When we finish downloading, we have to upload it to Cpanel, to the server. Now we're gonna press here, upload. Now it's downloaded, it has finished. Now we're gonna drag and drop. I'm gonna drop it here. Now WordPress is uploading to our server. We can go back. Now we have to click with the right side of the mouse and select extract files. And now all these files are going to be extracted for our Cpanel. As you can see, it created another folder with WordPress on. We can now delete the zip file with WordPress. Delete, confirm. Okay, now all of the files are here inside of this folder named WordPress. We're gonna open it and then select all the files, and with shift press in the first file, in the first folder, press shift and then the last folder. You have now selected all of them. Right click, now move, and here we just have to delete the word WordPress in that bar, and now move files. All the files will be extracted from here. to the main folder of public HTML. We can now delete this folder named WordPress. We no longer need it. So our main files of WordPress are installed here in public HTML. But for WordPress to work, we have to create a database. And for that, we have to press here in CP. And we go back to this menu. You have to press here MySQL databases. Now we're gonna create a new database. We can name it as we want. It doesn't really matter. Okay, it's created. Now I'm gonna create a database user. And the password. Put the same password again, just confirm it. And create user. We have successfully created a MySQL username. Okay. Now we have to add user to database. We're gonna do add. And now we're gonna select all privilege. So we can enable that this user can modify everything in the MySQL database. You're gonna press make changes. Go back to Cpanel. Now you just have to go to your main URL. Just write your website URL. And you will be presented with this page, the WordPress installation page. And my page is in Portuguese because my client is a Portuguese client. So I'm gonna do this. We're gonna start. So you have to name your database. You can see what name that you can see the name here in PHP MyAdmin, the name that we created earlier. Okay, your username that we also created earlier. If you forgot your username, you can just go back here to MySQL databases and check your username here, current users. And your password that you also created when you created your database. The rest you can leave it as it is. Install. You have to put your website information. You have to create a username for when you have to enter in the back office to manage your website. Here, you have to put your password. I'm gonna confirm a weak password here because I want to use my password. I don't want to use the suggested password. And my email address. This option, you can leave it as it is. So install WordPress. We have been redirected to WordPress login page. Now you just have to put your username and password that you created when installing WordPress. And here we are in the back office of WordPress. We have successfully installed WordPress. I think it was pretty easy if you follow my instructions. But if you have any difficulty, you can just comment on my video and I will try my best to help you. So we reached the end of this video. I hope it was helpful. You can now start playing around with WordPress. Please don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you soon in another tutorial.